Hello friends! Today let's draw Optimus Prime together. In this fast-forward intro, you will get an idea how we're going to draw him roughly. At 8 minutes and 10 seconds, we will start color it in.
I like Optimus Prime. He's my favorite Transformers.
Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a V shape as the forehead part of the helmet. Draw a smaller V on top of it. Draw a short line parallel to the bottom edge. Throughout the process of drawing the Transformers, we will be using many straight lines and parallel lines. You can use a ruler to assist you. Now let's draw his eyes. Next, draw a short line parallel to the edge of the helmet. Now add a line parallel to the lower eyeline. Now let's draw his metallic faceplate.
It looks like a mask. Why Optimus Prime wears a mask?
Transformers like Optimus Prime wear metallic masks to show their robots and make them look cool and futuristic. It's like wearing a special costume that makes them different from humans and lets everyone know they're powerful robots.
The antenna part of the helmet is also parallel.
It looks like a hockey player helmet.
Let's move on to the upper part of the helmet.
Why, it looks like an exhaust vent.
The exhaust vents on Transformers helmets help them release excess heat generated from their powerful systems and keep them cool during intense battles or when they're using a lot of energy. It's like how a car's engine has vents to let out hot air to prevent overheating. So the vents on their helmets help Transformers stay in top shape during action-packed moments.
Now let's draw the last set of antennas.
It looks like a Bluetooth headset.
Alright, now the head is done. Let's move on to drawing his body.
Why he has glass on his chest?
The glass on Optimus Prime's chest is actually called his windshield. It's like a window that lets him see what's happening around him when he's in vehicle mode.
Here you can also use a rectangle to represent his chest.
Now let's draw his belly.
Are these small grids his engine vents for cooling? Now let's draw his pants.
It looks like underwear.
Let's draw his shoes. You can also use a rectangle and a triangle to represent it. Next, let's draw his legs. Now we move on to his arms. His upper arms are like cubes. We use a circular shape to draw his elbow. Let's move on to his fist. Repeat the same for his right arm. Finally, let's add his neck. We've finished outlining Optimus Prime. Now let's color Tane. You can use any color you like. Feel free to post a video if you need more time. We also made a video drawing Bumblebee. Welcome to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss out any new videos. we've done drawing Optimus Prime. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!